guys, so just out here, just got the kayak on the roof. It's pretty dodgy, like, oh. Yeah, we definitely got over the boo. Oh, yeah. Oh, Chester wants to come into the vlog. Here he is. Chetty boy. Hello, buddy. Yeah, so I was just driving around the corner and the full kayak like moves.
It's like moving forward and like...
Yeah, when I brake it like moves forward. When I turn to the right, it'll like move to the left. It's sketchy.
It's only a 10-minute trip.
Yeah, we'll see what it does around this corner. Ready?
Oh my god, it's definitely very dodgy.
Oh well. We've made it. It's all good. It's definitely moved, but
You got here in one piece. So
that's right. We're all G. Hey Thomas, we're just going to your boat. So, oh, a bit wavy out here in these rough seas. There it is, the big Karipa. Yeah, mate, might need a clean. Whoever's looking after that one, it's not doing a good job.
Oh, crazy, we're gonna drown.
Yeah.
I'm getting nervous, eh?
We're the big speed demons, they can't catch us. Stop for a sec. Might wait till they get closer and then we'll troll them.
I don't know why they jumped way out.
Sorry, go Lockie. Da. Da. Got you. Oh.
Oh. Just Nicole.
Alright, paddle.
Dude, it's sinking.
No,
Paddle.
No, we're good.
We're all good, guys. You just got to paddle.
You sit back in the middle. See how you can sit back one? Sit back one.
Yeah, nice.
That's badass.
Nice. We're not sinking at all.
Hear audio? Yeah.
Yeah.
Get that fat
Look at
ass
this.
over here.
Wait, it gets so much of you too.
Access?
Yep.
Get right. Yeah. Baby.
Lock on price.
Crazy. Crazy, yeah, straight up.
Uh-oh, he's catching. He's catching. Uh-oh.
Because we're sitting so close together. So you should sit forward now because Lockie's gonna come back.
Uh-oh. There's sharks out here though. We're so close to shark. Oh, that hurt my foot. Ah. Right. Oh, it's full under. Nah, we've actually got this though. Just an update. We are back, ready to go. Yeah, shoot after that. Yeah, get some paddling going now. So go. Oh, no, it's so, hey, that's so buoyant. That's so much
Oh, the crab.
Alright guys, so the shark alarm just went off, so we're literally on the upturn canoe because kayak.
He's been sacrificed.
Oscar's sacrificing himself for the greater good for the shark.
I wasn't gonna.
Sorry, son. Oh, that's the shark alarm again. Yeah, so pretty much we have to get out of the water because the shark alarm's going off. But there's no way to paddle because we're on an upturn canoe. Brody, good paddling, keep going. Lucy, yeah. Bye.